She realizes it. When he got his food out to feed her yesterday, you should have seen her begging for the food. She just usually kiss him all over his mouth.
So was this your bird, or did you?
No, it's not ours.
It was just here?
Uh-huh. He cleans its cage. He cleans up. I can pick it up too.
So he just asked, could I start taking care of the bird?
Yeah, they needed somebody really bad. They don't have anybody.
Wow.
He ought to get paid for it.
Apparently they're picking someone up.
Do you work for a company that moves people or something?
No.
Oh.
He moves
Come
some
on.
things.
Kiss. Come on. Give a kiss. Come on.
Mom, wave at the camera.
Bobby, smack your lips to it. She knows people's watching. Kiss. Come on.
Bailey, kiss.
Now she realizes she's being wrong. She'll get in there and pick at his teeth and all kind of stuff. I'm not going to do it. Someone's watching her. She doesn't know yet. See, that's just what she does. Maybe she's going to. No, she knows you're watching. Oh yeah, she's right. They say they're as smart as a 5-year-old.
Hey, Bailey.
She'll put her head down when I
Wave, Mom. Wave, Mom.